Hello guys, today we are going to learn templates on Laravel. We will learn how to create templates in Laravel so we can build a website or applications. So learning about template is very much important in Laravel because it is slightly different than CI or um, other frameworks, but the concept is the same. So it is not that complicated, but when you are working on view template, we need to work on HTML pages. So if we learn and we know about templates, then it will be easier to manage the template structures. So we will only load particular um, CSS file or JavaScript file to the page, so we don't have to load all the codes or all the CSS or JavaScripts in every page of the project. So it's very simple and easy to learn, and when you learn it, and you will get a lot easier on working view templates. So let's get into the main tutorial. So here is the new site. If you don't know how to install Laravel or how to create a login system, then you can watch my previous video. So this is I actually made this video for actual beginners, so you can learn from the scratch how to develop a website in Laravel. So this is our home page. Now I have downloaded this template, you can see right there. And here is my project folder. So this is my project folder. So we need all the CSS and JavaScript file from here. So I'm gonna copy this folder. We're gonna need that, and we're not sure if we leave any files or folders it will work perfectly. So I'm gonna copy these folders. I think we don't need documentation, so copy these folders and go to public and create a new folder. Let's say template. So we have copied here. Now what we're gonna do is, so here is the main home template that we are seeing right here. Yeah, exactly. So this URL is calling a home controller and index method. So we can see the name of this route is home. Now let's go to the home controller and see. This is the index function, and it is calling a view page home. So we're gonna change it to index page. So there is a index not found. We're gonna create a new file. It will be index.plate.php. Yeah. After that, so let's check this page. Actually, I'm looking for a blank page so we can easily um, start creating the pages. But it's okay, we will be working on this main index page. So copy this, open this, and let's copy this page and paste it right here. So let's see how does our site looks. So all the CSS and JavaScript are messed up, but we successfully load index page on home. So let's fix CSS. So this is the CSS right here. The CSS files are inside template folder we have created right here, and you can see the vendor folder. So let's see if it changes anything. I'm sorry, I have forgot to give a template name. Yeah, now let's see if it changes anything. Yes, now we can see the template looks pretty cool, and the CSS are not messed up like before. So the images are not loaded properly. Now we need to load JavaScripts as well. So this looks nice. Now let's load the image properly. I think this one is the profile image. worked. Now what we are going to do is we're going to separate these links and this navigation bar and footer. So first of all, let's create a new file which we will call header. We'll copy this, actually we will cut this and paste it here, save it. Then we will include let's see if it changes anything. No, it's working fine. Now we will do the same for footer as well. So this will be our footer from here to the all script files. It should be include so it's fine. Another thing is that we need styles in some pages, so for that we're gonna do is yield styles. So this will let you to write styles for each individual pages. Now let's create so this is our side nav. let's check. This works fine as well. So we will be creating a separate file for this nav as well. This is the this bar of the page. So let's create a new file, and I'm going to give it a name as menu.play.php. So let's include this as well. Let's see. Yeah, working fine. Now we have 4 separate files. Now we will be creating a new files as a master. So all the files, these files will be loaded in one page. Let's check. Yeah, it's working fine. So what we did was, in home controller we are calling a index view, but in index view we are calling a master .play.php, and in master.play.php we are calling a 4 separate files. So this is how we will manage the templates. So if you are going to create new files like about.play.php, so you will just extend the master.play.php, and all the menu, side nav, header and footer will be loaded through master. So the problem right here is the content. In index we don't have any content. If we write any content, so it will be messed up. So what will we do is that we will create a yield just like this, so we can create a content for each individual pages. So this is the main panel, this is content wrapper, and I think this is page header. Now we can create a separate page header for each individual page. So let's see. Yeah, it's working fine. Now we can change page header to anything we like. in dashboard pages page it will be dashboard page, and user page it will be user page. So it gives us flexibility to change page header in each HTML page. We will do the same for the contents as well. So let's see where it ends this row. These are the contents of the page, and we will do the same for it as well. Let's see. Cool. So the graphs are not loaded properly. So this was the error. And we will be able to write scripts for each page individually, so we don't have to load all the scripts in all the pages. Now let's see if we create another page and how it will work. I'm going to give it about and about method. The route name is about as well. Sorry. So let's see what will happen if we go to about page. Nothing displays. Now let's extend master page first. There's an error. Scripts. Oh, sorry. So it gives a basic template for us, like header bar and side nav. So if we need to create a content for it, first of all we're gonna give it a page header. page and name it our page. Let's see. So yeah, and let's create content for it. So this is how we create template structure for HTML pages. So we have created a lot for our page, but I don't think we have for home page. So you can see the difference. So guys, this is how we create a template structure for admin page or front-end page, front-end websites. So this is very helpful to create a website structurally, and it is very easy to manage HTML pages and templates. So I hope you have learned something from this video.